We'll guide you through how to add a clickable link to an image in Canva. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Canva, and so what you want to do is go and add in clickable links to images. We're going to guide you through this. This is really convenient to do because perhaps you're working on a project or design, which you then want to go and have an image in which goes and links to something. So for example here, I'm working on something for GuideRealm. This is the YouTube channel you're watching this on, and I want to go and add in the channel link. So when somebody goes and clicks on the image here, they get taken straight to the channel, so they know what we're referencing. So to get started with this, we need to go and grab the link you want to do this with. So for example, I'm going to come to YouTube, then I'm going to go and search for GuideRealm. We can come straight to the channel. In your case, you want to go to the website and web page you want to go and grab it for. Once you're here, then what you want to do is go to the top and come to the address bar. You can go and highlight it and then right click and press copy. Now return to Canva and you want to go and find the image you want to go and add the clickable link to. So in this case, I'm doing this here. So what you want to do is go and right click on it. You'll get a list of options and you need to go down and find the option for link. Then in here, you want to go and right click and you can go and press paste. You can then go and press done and you can go and see the link there and press done again. So now when somebody goes and hovers over it, they'll go and see the link here. But now we want to go and save it. So you want to go to the top right and you can go and press share. Then you want to go and press download. It's important to note you can't go and save this as a PNG or JPEG because then it won't be clickable. You need to do this as a PDF. So you can select PDF, or what you could do is go and embed it as well by coming back here, and you can go and find the seal button and then you can go and embed it here. But what we're going to do is download it as a PDF. So we'll press download, find PDF standard and go and press download and wait. Now I'm going to go and open this up. And if I go and hover over it, you can see I can then click. And when I click on it, it takes us to the channel. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful Canva guides like this and many other guides as well. So have a great day, guys, and I'll catch you again. Goodbye for now.